we do have some questions here. So the first one we have is from Matthew. What log files should I check to troubleshoot application installs during OSD? So one thing, more broadly, when we get questions about SCCM logs, let me find this page here. There is a fantastic documentation page that Microsoft maintains that shows exactly what types of logs are available for each thing that you want to troubleshoot. Johan, do you want to pop over to my screen for a moment and I can just show what application logs are available?
Yep.
All right, perfect. So this is the documentation here. I'll make sure this link gets added to our links for this evening. So later on, sometime tomorrow, you'll see this available on our YouTube live stream link in the description. And you could tell that I'm still recovering from vacation. I got home very late. Anyways, if you scroll down here, you'll see sort of a table of contents and log files by functionality. So you can click on application management in this instance, and basically you'll see all of the application logs that are available. So generally on the client side, these are the top four that I'm going to be looking at. And then I also see there is a follow-up question from Matthew. What log file should I check for troubleshooting the ConfigMgr Client install during OSD? And so that is probably going to come through right here, the CCM setup log. And you can see that this is also showing up under the client installation reference. So this would be my starting point. Anytime you have any questions about ConfigMgr logs, I often start right here. Any specific logs you'd like to call out, Johan, or just the general app logs and ConfigMgr Client logs in terms of app installs and ConfigMgr Client installs specifically during OSD?
Well, I mean, it's barely a couple of hundred to memorize, 300-400. You'll do that quickly. And the trick is really not so much memorizing 400 log files. The trick is knowing when they're used. Like when you do X in the console, which 3, 4, 5 log files are applicable in what order, and that simple. That just takes time to learn. I like to say it takes almost a year to get really good at troubleshooting ConfigMgr. Mm-hmm. But I mean, memorizing them would be a good start, but you have to know when they're used. Otherwise, you are looking at the wrong stuff in the wrong place.